Hey there tubers, Redneck Brian here. I've decided to do a couple generator cold starts today. As you can see, I have a fair amount of snow on the ground here, and I figured today would be a perfect day to try to start both generators. You may be wondering why I said both. The small 2-stroke generator that I have will not start, so I'm not even going to try to start it. So yeah, it's pretty much the same as what Tractor Man Dale has, so yeah, I'm not going to bother trying it. But I have the gen set hooked up. It has a battery in it, and the battery is not very good, so I have it hooked up to the jumper pack. It's ready to go, and this will actually be the Onan's very first time ever starting up in the cold, in the extreme cold. So yeah, hopefully it will start. But it also has a fucked battery. It's frozen. So, but that battery is one of those reman piece of junk batteries. So, yeah, no big loss there. The battery was only like $50. So, and I bought it like 4 years ago. So, surprised it lasted as long as it did. So, with the gen set, gotta turn it on because I still have it hooked up through this switch here, but the key does crank the motor, and I believe that's choke right there. And that should be gas on right there. Let's see what happens. And to prove to you that this thing was cold, my hand is on the muffler. Yeah. So yeah, it was cold. Let's try that again. So yeah, I don't even know if this Onan will even crank with a frozen battery, even with the jumper pack. So I got a squeezy bottle of gas, and then let's just give it a try. Let that gen set out there warm up. And it just stalled. Let's go back up there and restart it. I'll let it warm up. I may have had the gas off, I don't know. Yeah, I knew this was dead, but the battery's actually froze, so. Well, it's registering. Make sure I got a really good connection. Nope, nothing. It turns over. Perfect. That actually gives me some hope here. So let's prime up the carb. Put the camera down on this gas sandwich. Let's see if it has gas in it. should. Tank's bone dry. Let's put some gas in it. So to get you down, I got new fresh gas, so. I don't have too much hope of this starting, but it'd be nice. Fill up that old Ford carburetor. They fired. Wow. This thing here, as you guys all know, it's a trick to get to stay running. So it just ran off what I put in the carburetor. So I'm trying to even start it. Prying the fuel pump a bit. I gotta rewire this entire thing. What I'm going to do is have a start-stop switch or key. Then we'll have a separate fuel pump switch and a battery kill switch. Let me go shut off the gen set. It's run long enough now. Shoot. A squeezy bottle of gas tipped over. There. Just turned it off fast idle. Turned off the fast idle on it. Actually, let's just keep on putting a little bit of gas down the carburetor, see if it's going to get some gas up to it. And I'll put my hand on here over the top of the carb, help choke it.